What's the meaning of char? Char. Char.
Char. Char. Char is a data type in programming that is used to represent characters and symbols in text. It stands for character. In most programming languages, each individual char occupies 1 byte of memory. This allows programmers to manipulate and store textual data, such as words or sentences, as a series of individual characters. Char data can be used for a variety of purposes, including input-output operations, string manipulation, and encoding/decoding algorithms. Overall, char is an essential building block in programming for working with textual data.